Guarantee that shit was red. Machetes and them choppers out. Bitches when they knock us out. I done fucked them all. That's why I'm standing on Ferraris, nigga. From the corner playing lookout to get your cookouts. Yeah, that's why I'm standing on Ferraris, nigga. In the 6'4", 6'5", too big for a Bugatti. That's why I'm standing on Ferraris, nigga. Top floor to Biltmore. Say they want a raw shit, that's what I'm built for. Lounging, Miami with the eye candy. Bitches named Sandy and Bambi, my exes can't stand me.
392 dollars back to another video. If y'all hitting that like, subscribe, or comment, go ahead and do that. And leave a fire emoji, be right there. Also, too, ran into an issue with the Underglow, so I ordered some more Underglow. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on with the Underglow. It's just a sad day. I had to order a whole new kit. It ain't the whole kit on my car. It's just I had to order a whole new kit. So this keeps happening, I can fix it quick. So y'all stay tuned for that. Okay, so here's the reason why I bought new LED lights or Underglow lights. Because when I turn on them, see they're green. That one's green, right? That one's orange, yellow. Orange, yellow. So I go to white. That one's teal, see, teal. That one's white. That one's white. And the side is white. I don't know if you can see, but then the rear is white. So this is the only LED that's messing up. So say I want to go purple, that one's blue. That one's purple, that one's purple. So that LED is messed up. Also too, the reason how it messed up is when I was taking my car out, I hit a bump and the wire was too short and it broke the LED wire, so I had to take the LED out, rewire it because I was going to a meet, and I hurried up and did some, some quick fix. So I fixed it, but I definitely need to order a whole new kit. So that way I need new wire. I need extended wire for the LEDs inside and the LEDs down here because it was just too short. Also too, I want to fill in the gaps right here. See how there's a big gap? I'm gonna put like a little bar right there too. And also too, bought it just to have it, if anything breaks, to have it on hand. Extra parts. Maybe install it on my daily, my Kia right there. I don't know if I should. But yeah, that's the reason why I bought another kit. 111 bucks on Amazon. Can't beat that. Op 7. I highly suggest them. Really good. So y'all stay tuned for this install / quick fix, and we out. So I got the LED out. So all I need to do is just take the wire out. So the way I ran it was a little different, but it works. That's why I needed the extended wire, so the way I could plug in a different one. Let's see. Yo. Yo.
Hello?
What's up?
What are you doing?
Fixing my car.
I slide with mine and try to fix it?
I'm leaving here at 1, but I mean, you could use the garage.
But you stuck it there?
Yeah, I'm getting a haircut.
Oh, so you'll be coming back right after or what?
Yeah, I'll be coming back.
Alright, I'm gonna go get some car parts and shit. I'll probably be there by the time you leave.
Alright, yeah, let me know. I'll open the garage for you.
Alright, bye. Bye.
So, what I did, I rewired it and just sent it, and it worked. This is the one from the 300, as you can see. It's all messed up right there. But yeah, that one's still good. You know, I'm just use that as a backup one too. So I got my LEDs. Cool, got my wires. Put it in the light bar. Sir. What the hell is this sticking to something? Oh, okay. Hope these don't break. Alright, cool. Brand new LED right here. Take this off. Cool. Got a lot of wires. Lock this up. First, let me see if it works. Whoa. White. They work. Blue. Purple. They're all purple, okay. So it works. I'm gonna mount these up. So as y'all can see, the sun is coming down. I finally finished it. I went with 2 remotes. I ordered the right stuff, but the Bluetooth one comes with splitters, and that's what I needed for splitters, because I got more than 4 LEDs, underglows, including inside, and then I got 2 on the sides. So I need about 4 splitters to go to 1 box, and they didn't come with any splitters, so I had to work with what I have right now. So these are just the rears, you know. I had a gap right there in the rear, so I got that gap fixed, and this controller takes care of that gap. And now this one right here takes care of everything. So let me just put it on green. I can run green and blue. Let me just put them both on green. So bam, I got the whole LED now. It's clean. Everything's good. All the colors work. I'm gonna go to white real quick. All the way around, white. Bam. So everything looks good. I'm glad I ordered that whole new kit. giveaway. If anything happens to the other one, I'm good. We just throw them on there and bam, it's good. So for now, I'm running 2 remotes. I will get that fixed once I get the other splitters. So y'all stay tuned for that. But I want to thank y'all for watching, subscribing, commenting. I'm at 1,100 subscribers, so appreciate y'all. I really do appreciate y'all. I'm doing a giveaway at 1,500 subscribers, so y'all stay tuned for that. And I'm probably about to hit a meet right now, so I'll throw some content in there. And I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay up.